So, I got the one drawer U.S. General box from Harbor Freight. It's a little heavier than I thought it was. I'm gonna make it into a welding cart. So, let's open it up and let's get to it. And when you're doing this, you really want to cut into the thing you bought. Like, do not hesitate to cut that bad boy open. Oh yeah, I got the white one because it looks super dope. I'm just doing big things. Big things. You know, sometimes this feels kind of silly. Well, here's the drawer. Well, that's cool. With some keys on it. Well, that's cool. Little handle of sorts. Man, I got this for a killer deal. Killer deal. It was like $89.99 with a coupon. I love that place. I love Harbor Freight. It's kind of a problem. Pretty much buy all my tools from Harbor Freight. When I can. You know what I mean? When I can. Comment down below if you guys been snagging any deals at the old freight house. I'd like to know. Do I need instructions for this thing? Come on, how hard could it be? How hard could this thing be to put together? Look at me go. Look at me go.
Why do they doubt the kid? I'm about to prove them all wrong again. I got a low tolerance, cause they don't even know what the problem is. It's me. You waiting on the boy to fail, then hold your breath and face your death. Cause you play a roulette with each step. I progress, no less. Go ahead and place your bets. Cause we know where we at, we know we top tier. Cause all the hate that you bring, we know it's top tier.
All right, drawer is out. All right, it's a few days later. It's I got, you know, had some stuff to do. Okay, I had to stop. Had to take a pause. A few days later. But she's basically, this is 85% complete. Okay, why do I say 85%? Because I got to put the casters on. Then I'd be done, right? No. That does not make the welding cart. Okay, I want to weld something on this thing to hold these things. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna drop my camera. To hold these things. Okay, so that's what we got to do. Okay, so let's put the casters on. Actually, we're gonna do that right now. Damn, this table just scratches everything to hell. Well, got that part built. Huh? Yeah. Not too shabby. You're rolling around my garage. So now, how to hold my welder? I thought it was a little bigger, to be honest with you. But I read the dimensions. I'm not an idiot. Maybe a little bit. Maybe just a little bit. So, where's my tape measure? Oh, there it is. There it is. Do I want to put it on the side or I want to put it on the back? Alright, I think I got an idea now. And I got distracted by this handsome gentleman. Oh, well. This guy. KG. That dude's hilarious. Gotta stay on course. Gotta stay on course. Had to mute him. I muted him. Okay? This isn't about him right now. It's about this cart. It's about this guy right here. That guy. It's not that guy. It's a cart. That cart. I think I'm just gonna start welding stuff. I'm just gonna wing it. Just gonna wing it. It's another day. Another day. So I'm really trying to upload this video Sunday, and today is Sunday. So this stupid, amazing cart, welding cart, needs to get done. The ultimate, not really the ultimate welding cart, needs to get done. All right, here it is, shaboom, done. Do I regret anything? A couple things I regret. I do. Weight distribution. Gotta have tools in the bottom. Got to. I am gonna end up welding maybe some kind of kickstand down there and have some kind of caster coming down, like a little kickstand, but right now I'm done with it. Done. I mean, it looks cool. I think it looks great, actually. And I mean, it's not like I'm taking it long places. I think it's fine. I am A-okay. Got my little drawer here. Put my stuff in there. Right, of course. Put it on that side. Let's not worry about all the details. Well, what else? We got this. Square and tape measure. This side. Yeah, looks phenomenal. Thanks for watching. My name's Ethan. Today was my day off. And yeah, see you later.